Waalaikumsalam. Please have a seat, sir.
Thank you, doctor.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Ola, the person in charge of the practice this morning. First, I'd like to record your personal details.
Morning, doctor. Okay, doctor.
What's your full name, sir?
My name is Muhammad Ashabul Firdaus. You can call me Aska, doctor.
Okay, Aska. When were you born?
I was born in Pluto and 13th of February 2004
Okay. Could you tell me where did you live?
on Street Pramuka, Bandar Lampung of City, doctor.
What are you currently doing?
I'm currently in my 6th semester of medical school, medical student of Malahayati of University.
Alright. What's the most bothering complaint that made you come here?
Complaint of fever, doctor.
How many days have you had this fever?
It is been a week ago, doctor.
Can you explain what your fever is like?
The fever is getting high, doctor.
Alright, beside the fever, are there any other complaints?
Yes, nausea, vomiting, and stomach and headache and etc., doctor.
Where is your stomach pain, Ascha?
Over here, sir, in here.
Since when you have been experiencing constipation?
Currently, not long after the fever start, doctor.
Are there any activities that make your complaints worse?
Maybe no, doctor.
When your symptoms appear, what do you usually do to relieve them?
I will take a break for to under that, doctor.
Okay, have you ever experienced something like this before?
No, doctor. No, never know.
Do you have a history of chronic illness like diabetes, asthma, hypertension, or heart disease?
Alhamdulillah, no, doctor.
Okay. Do any of your family members have experienced similar issue or a history of chronic illness?
Neither of them has it, doctor, but Alhamdulillah, they are healthy, doctor.
Okay. What kind of place do you live in now?
I live in a dormitory of University Malahayati of University.
Okay. So you live in dormitory, okay? Can you tell me what the dormitory environment is like?
The dormitory is so dirty, doctor. Behind the dormitory, there are large, smelly gutter with lots of flies. Also, my roommate is less too lazy to clean our room, so sometimes there is trash filled up in front of room.
Alright, about your habits, do you have any bad habits like smoking or drinking alcohol?
No, doctor. In my family, don't smoking and no drinking of alcohol.
Alright, so good. Alright, do you have health insurance?
Yes, I have a BPJS, Mister.
Okay, thank you for explaining so thoroughly. Is there anything you like to say that I may have missed?
Yes. No, never.
Okay, from our conversation, I understand that you've been experiencing a fever that fluctuates for 7 days, accompanied by headache, nausea, vomiting with every meal, abdominal pain, constipation, and increasing weakness. Based on symptoms, you likely have a gastrointestinal infection, possibly typhoid fever. So, my next plan is to conduct a physical examination and special examination. Before proceeding, I need your consent to this procedure. There may be some discomfort during this procedure. But rest assured, everything will be fine and according to standard operating procedures. Are you willing to undergo further examination?
Yes, I'm ready, doctor.
Alright, thank you, Ash. Please wait in the examination room. I will prepare the tools and wash my hands first.
Okay, doctor.
The tools used in physical examination are 1. Stethoscope, 2. Pulse oximeter, 3. Thermometer, 4. digital blood pressure monitor, and the last, disposable gloves. During the physical examination, the patient's general condition and level of consciousness were first assessed. This patient appeared to be moderately ill and compos mentis. Excuse me, I would like to perform a vital sign check. First, I will check your blood pressure.
Right, doctor.
Okay, his blood pressure is normal. 120/70 millimeter hydrogyrum. Next, I will check your pulse. Sorry. Okay, his pulse is 97 beats per minute. And his respiratory are 20 breaths per minute. And his temperature, sorry. Okay, and his temperature is 38,7 degrees Celsius. And head examination within normal limits, and abdomen, sorry sir.
Oh, explain, doctor.
Okay, and abdomen, there is tenderness in the right upper quadrant and there is no liver or splenomegaly. Can you see your tongue? Okay. This patient tongue appears dirty in the center with reddish eggs and moist oral mucosa. With your permission, I would like to examine your thorax using a stethoscope. I apologize if this is slightly uncomfortable. This examination revealed normal vesicular breath sound, no ronchi or wheezing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is a revealed normal vesicular breath sound, no ronchi and or wheezing. Next, extremity examination. The extremities are warm and there is no cyanosis. Next, supporting laboratory tests such as a complete blood count, a Widal test, or an IgM or IgG test for Salmonella TB will be performed. Okay, the next step is to conduct further examination of the laboratory. Okay, thank you for following the examination procedure carefully. The laboratory result will be available in 2 over 3 hours. Do you have any question, Asya?
No, doctor. Alhamdulillah, I understand. if you tell me how my problem in myself.
Okay, Asya, the complete blood count revealed leukopenia, relative lymphocytosis, and milk anemia. Then, for the TP dot or IgM or IgG tests, all were positive, with IgM indicating an acute infection. Alright, Asya, based on the examination results and the symptoms you've been experiencing, you are diagnosed with typhoid fever. This disease is caused by a Salmonella typhi bacterial infection, which usually enters the body through contaminated food or drinks.
Oh, I see, doctor. It is dangerous.
If treated properly, typhoid fever can be completely cured. I will prescribe you antibiotics and fever-reducing medication. Please take the medicine regularly and finish the entire course even if you start feeling better. Please eat soft and easily digestible food like porridge or soft rice. Are you understand?
Yes, understand, doctor. Thank you.
Okay, please avoid eating outside or street food during recovery as it might worsen to infection.
Alright.
If you experience persistent high fever, increasing abdominal pain, severe vomiting, or blood stools, please come back immediately. Do you have any question, Asya?
No, it is clear. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. I hope you recover soon. Please come for a follow-up if your condition doesn't improve within 3 to 5 days.
Yes, doctor. Alright.
Thank you.
Very much.